What did you get there? What did you get there?
You said to her. I asked her, you want to try? I'm going to try it.
You have no choice.
Wait, let me take a picture.
Yellow
36 midway started. Something's going to land 4 right, runway 31 center, line up wait. Runway 31 center. Challenger 8 Kilo Delta, stay parking. I'm sorry to get that.
We got 9.
8 Kilo Delta, turn right when able, 10 to ground, 0.65.
White Hill, ground 0.65.
First time for general aviation experience, right?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. All right, so we're gonna get the keys to the airplane, the book, and we okay. Come on, ladies. Oh, you guys.
Watch your step.
This is a Cessna 182. That's a Cessna 172.
Cessna
See it?
182.
Yes, you know it says Ram 172 on the front there. So they manufacture, make different models. This is a Wario.
Notice Airman, Golf 7 closed until further notice. All IFR departures, advise ground control for taxi after IFR. Read back over my hold short instructions, runway assignments and altitude assignments. Upon initial contact, advise. You have formation Tango.
Republic ground, good afternoon. Cessna 759 Alpha Charlie at Atlantic with Tango, ready to taxi northbound.
Cessna 759 Alpha Charlie, Republic ground, good afternoon. Runway 32, taxi via Mike Golf Alpha, cross runway 1 approach, and northbound's on request.
Taxi Mike Golf Alpha, cross runway 1 approach, Cessna 59 Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie, roger.
Republic ground, ultimate 701 at the main terminal with Tango, ready to taxi. Brake check, you're my airplane.
701, Republic ground, runway 32, taxi via Bravo Alpha, cross
Brake
runway
check,
1.
you're okay. 32 via Bravo Alpha, cross 1, ultimate 701.
And also 101, altimeter 2977, window 27011, gust 18.
2977, thank you.
Oh, they scrubbed out all the,
Yeah, they took it all out.
Yeah.
The runway is right here.
Cherokee 2225 Delta at Atlantic for southeast departure, information Tango.
Cherokee 2225 Delta, Republic ground, good
Can you guys
afternoon.
hear us?
Southeast is on request, altimeter 2977, winds are
Bring it to your
27011,
mic.
gust 18.
Yes.
Runway 32,
Okay,
taxi
so
Mike
that was
Golf
Maddie?
Alpha, cross
Yes,
runway.
yes.
Okay, good. All right.
Runway 22 via Mike Golf Alpha, crossing runway 1 approach, Cherokee 2225.
Bornier is still there. When you're done with your run-up, give me a call, and we'll get you over to Alpha 6.
Oh, shucks, that was us.
Roger that, thank you.
Okay.
Roger.
Yeah. That was for us?
So we can go to,
Alpha 6, we
Yeah.
can spin it around. Is there someone behind us?
yes. Well, he's going to go into the, people.
Okay, sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
Switch
Top
jets.
2, right?
Yeah.
Just... Tower 759 Alpha Charlie, hold short, Alpha 6 northbound.
759 Alpha Charlie, Tower short at Alpha 6 for landing traffic.
We'll hold short, 59 Alpha Charlie.
743, contact ground. Cessna 9 Alpha Charlie, runway 32 at Alpha 6, line boy.
Line up runway, Cessna 759 Alpha Charlie. When he rotated,
Fast,
Yeah.
just before the intersection.
okay.
They're right.
Clear right.
Cessna 9 Alpha Charlie, use cautionary turbulence for the departing joining your jet, runway 32 at Alpha 6, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 759 Alpha Charlie. Alright, you're clear.
701, contacting you at departure today.
I'll do a full power here
Yeah.
so we can get as much speed as possible. Engines look good. Okay, and brake release.
Airspeed alive.
Airspeed's alive.
Engine in the green.
In the green.
55.
60 knots. Airborne. 70 knot climb.
Warrior 28423, number 1 Alpha, 32, there we go. 3843.
Got a little bit of it. Yep.
Clear for takeoff, southeast.
It's like you're drifting there. Yeah.
Alright, 700 feet.
700 feet. Right turn.
Alright, before landing checklist.
Alright,
Landing lights,
landing lights on.
autopilot,
Disengaged.
AC,
AC's off.
seatbelts,
Seatbelts are good. Seatbelts are good.
mixture,
Mixture's full rich.
carburetor heat,
Carb heat is off.
fuel, and 59 Alpha Charlie, midfield 24. Clear for the option.
There for the option.
Roger, 759 Alpha Charlie. Alright, ground is tuned.
Okay, clear on approach.
Clear right. Airspeed is high. Full flaps coming in. $400.
Copy.
Three reds, four reds.
Not my best.
Number 9 Alpha Charlie, where you parking?
3 wings today, 59 Alpha Charlie.
Alright, Charlie, Alpha to parking.
Right Charlie, Alpha to parking, 59 Alpha Charlie. Okay. Alright, after landing, flaps,
Are up.
carburetor heat,
Carb heat is off.
cowl flaps,
Cowl flaps are open.
strobes,
Strobes off.
landing light,
Landing lights.
taxi light is required,
Taxi on.
pitot heat,
Pitot heat is off.
mixture,
Mixture is full rich.
trim,
Trim
takeoff,
for takeoff.
transponder.
Fun is on altitude.
2 wings over there.
Yep. You're right.
Welcome to Bridgeport, Connecticut, ladies.
Sorry about the rough landing, ladies.
Bridgeport Tower, helicopter 945, Romeo Foxwood Delta.
Helicopter 5, Romeo Fox, Bridgeport Tower.
Good afternoon, sir. Front of Atlantic South, depart into the wind, and then we'll be turning eastbound.
Helicopter 5 Romeo 5. Reposition Alpha Charlie, clear for takeoff.
Romeo 5.
All right, folks, let's go in. Careful, all this is going in there. Go in! Where you going? All right, check it on the chassis. Perfect. That's good right there. Yes. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Clark! I'm just kidding. Yeah. Good thing you did that. So where are we today? We at Nikki's Beach House. First time. Take off your mask. Unmask.
You want this shade?
All right, grab your menu, folks.
Thank you.
She didn't want to destroy her perfect shade. Here's your menu.
Oh, that's like kind of too.
Here's your menu. Listen, I know you're from the Bronx, but you know.
Oh, God. You want to try?
What did you get there? What did you get
You said
there?
to her. I asked her, you want to try? I'm going to try it.
You have no choice.
Wait, let me
Y'all look good. What do you got over there, Dash? Dash? Speak to the people.
wings, buffalo wings, and some soggy fries. Soggy fries. She's so good. But for real, like, I'm gonna find their website. I'm gonna put 1 star.
Oh, poor thing.
I mean, they good. I'm just joking. It's just the bacon. It's just this. Everything else is.
Maybe somebody at home will like it. Sometimes well, you don't like somebody's luck.